we've pulled our bikes over on Spring Farm Road, a gravel road leading up over a hill. And I want to get the bicycles into the sketch since it's part of the storytelling. I use a graphite pencil to draw the shapes of the road back in perspective. I have just a few colors of watercolor and gouache, white, yellow ochre, and then a scarlet pyrrole, cerulean. Now I'm placing some of the tones of the road and the dead grass on the hillside using this big flat brush. I want to just have the large flat shapes laid down, and then I can add some of the textures and the smaller details later. Now the cerulean and the scarlet pyrrole will make not exactly a violet, but at least a fairly dark gray. And I can use the edge of this flat brush to draw the trunks of the trees, which are backlit on the side of the road. Just drop them in like big rectangles. Of course, I'll add the branches later, but I can just do the basic trunk of the tree now. There's also a dark gully way over on the right behind this post, and it has light branches against the dark. Here we go. Yeah, light lines for the branches. Now while I have that gray on the brush and it's drying on the bristles of the brush, I can dry brush it across the sky to get that feeling of light branches. And also on the road, there's a lot of texture on this gravel road. And across the road, there are some cast shadows from those trees. And the cast shadows help give space and distance to the road. Actually, there's a couple trees growing next to each other. People have been jogging by and walking by. It'd be nice to have a figure on the road to help give scale to the distance. At this point, there's so much detail in these delicate branches, I can't get it all in. But I want to get the bicycles more or less at least suggested, so I show the handlebars and the wheels. The sign directing people to walk to the left. And for these branches, I just use a long fibered round brush and kind of jiggle it around to get a tangle of small branches. To me, any painting of a road suggests a journey. The painting takes us from the familiar foreground, from the places we can see, to the places we can't see. Hi, I hope you enjoyed. There's lots more videos of any of these buttons. And this is just a sample of a longer form DVD or download that you can get at those buttons that say Kunaki or Gumroad in the About section. Thanks for coming by.